Hello, we're Team Monolith, and for this AHHAA experiment, we're gonna need 20% hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, food coloring, and potassium iodide. So now we're gonna be adding dish soap, and now we're adding food coloring, and then we're gonna mix them all up. And then we're gonna add the potassium iodide, and watch the thermal reaction. So that means you can't touch it with your bare hands, alright? The reaction kind of looks like toothpaste, and that's why the experiment is called elephant toothpaste. But what is it? Elephant toothpaste is the decomposition process of hydrogen peroxide, while potassium iodide works as a catalyst to break down the hydrogen peroxide into oxygen and water. And you actually kind of see some steam coming out of it. Okay, when the actual reaction happens, soap mixes with oxygen and water and turns into foam. So the reaction turned out to be a quite thick mass, and it's really hard to get rid of. And the experiment was a win, so this is the end of the video, the experiment. Thanks for watching.